Let's jump in here, Mark. What's our housing provider tip of the week?
All right, housing provider tip of the week is the cool thing about things that are changing. There's different ways to get things done, and with maintenance, you have a different approach to some things these days, where you can just simply get a water filter just delivered via Amazon to your tenant if your water filter goes out. Or last week, we had a tenant, she actually broke a shelf in a fridge, but instead of sending a tech out there or sending a repair guy, we found the model, we found it online, and we shipped it to her. So she did pay for that shelf. But nowadays, with all these different services out there, whether it be delivering something maintenance wise, or, we use always Roadie, which is like a sub of UPS. We use them to just run and put lock boxes up for us on stuff, where they will deliver keys to somebody that's locked out, and it costs us $35 for us to send in a vendor there. So there's a lot of different things out there, especially that will kind of either save you costs or save costs that you have to pass on to your tenant or your owners if you're a property manager. And just make sure you're always kind of looking at these new little trends that are out there.